I thought he had me. I was just waiting for my ribs to start cracking and my legs to start breaking.
His horns must have just touched you, didn't they?
Oh, they had to have. His feet. I mean, well, look where I'll show you where I was standing, and I don't think he was 3 feet from me, because he wasn't 6 feet from me when I shot him, and then he charged down.
That was after you shot each other.
Yes, that was scary. Oh man, I've never had a moose. That's the closest encounter I think I've ever had with the man.
That was something, man.